Hi, I'm Alex Meyer, Product Manager for RIDGID. Today, we are going to be talking about the RIDGID Link app, RIDGID's mobile application that interfaces Bluetooth-enabled RIDGID tools to provide you with valuable real-time data about your tools on your phone or tablet. The first thing you're going to want to do is register your tool on the app. You can do this by opening the RIDGID Link app and signing into your account. Your first connection to the tool will automatically register it and add it to your toolbox. Once your tool is registered, you're ready to go. Once you have a completed job, you can access run data and usage history by selecting the tool from your list and clicking Recent Usage. This will bring up recent graphs from the last 30 days. To see more insights or to share, simply click on any individual run. Recording job insights is an effective method to document job-specific information across your business. By referring to these insights, a technician can gain knowledge about a previous job done at a particular home or job site, such as identifying the location of the heaviest blockages. This enables them to anticipate potential challenges and complete the task more efficiently. Moreover, sharing job insights with customers can enhance professionalism and provide them with a better understanding of the work carried out. If you want to retrieve your tool's history, navigate to the tool's home screen, scroll to the bottom, and click the Tool History section. Here you will find accumulated stats over the lifetime of the tool, such as total runtime and total cable advanced. Keeping track of a tool's history provides valuable insights into its actual usage over time. This information can help with preventative maintenance or service, balance tool usage equally across a fleet, and identify additional training opportunities. You can also set up maintenance reminders by navigating to the Reminders section. As you connect to the tool and synchronize data with the app, you'll get pop-up reminders on the recommended preventative maintenance. Maintenance reminders are triggered by your tool history data and work like the odometer of a vehicle. Regularly scheduled maintenance reduces the chance of machine issues happening in the field. In addition, the RIDGID Link app offers quality of life benefits to the drain cleaner. When using the K-4310 FXP Drum Machine, the RIDGID Link app can show the real-time display of the cable counter whenever the app is open and connected to the tool that is being used. To access the manual and other support documents, simply scroll down to the Support Documents section on the tool's home screen. To view the last seen location of the tool, reference the map towards the top of the tool's home screen. Finally, to look up service locations, scroll to the Service Centers section to see authorized RIDGID service centers. With the RIDGID Link app, create shareable job insights and manage your tool history data. For more information, visit RIDGID.com or contact your local authorized RIDGID dealer.